Okay, somebody asked me this question from the first mastery quiz. It's a solving equation question. And so you've got it's got fractions in it, okay? So I think that's what makes this problem a little harder than just normal solving equations kind of questions. But there's a trick called clearing fractions, and you can Google that. It's called clearing fractions for this technique. What you want to do is you want to take everything in the problem, all the terms, and then rewrite it with denominators. The trick is on if there's anything that's just a whole number, you want to divide it by one. So I've got 5 divided by 1 because 5 divided by 1 is just 5. It's equivalent, so it doesn't matter that I'm putting 1 underneath. Okay, and then I take I circled the denominators here, 3, 7, and 1, and I find the LCD, okay, which is 21. Sometimes people need a little review on how to find LCDs. So if that's the case, let me know. I can always find a good video on YouTube and post that on how to find the LCD three numbers, or that's actually the LCM. It's the LCD of the fractions, but the LCM of the three numbers, which happens to be 21. Now I'm going to take 21 and I'm going to multiply each of the fractions by it. So you see I just got 10 over 3, but I've got the 21 in here. I've got the 1 over 7, but I've got the 21 over here. And I've got the 5 over 1, but I've got the 21 over here. Okay? And then all I'm going to do is, by design, if you've picked the LCD correctly, this number has to divide this number. So 3's got to divide 21. 7's got to divide 21, and 1's got to divide 21. So I just go ahead and do that division. So 21 divided by 3 is 7. 21 divided by 7 is 3. And 21 divided by 1 is just 21. Okay? And I don't know if you see the value of this yet, and this is why it's called clearing fractions. But what has happened is by multiplying both sides by the LCD, by putting this 21 in all the fractions, I've gotten rid of the fractional aspect of this equation. So this 7 times 10 is just 70, 3 times 1 is just 3, 21 times 5 is 105. So I've rewritten the equation without any fractions in it, and I can just solve it like kind of the more normal equations that I'm used to. So I subtract 70 from both sides. I get 3t is equal to 35, and then I just divide both sides by 3 here to get t is equal to 35 over 3. So I hope that helps on that one.